Good morning, people. It is currently, I can't even speak properly. It is currently 7:17 and I am going food shopping. I'm actually waiting for my mom now because we're driving and we have to get there on time, to get the essentials, because I've been trying to get my hands on flour, yeast, baking powder, everything, and there's never none. So today I'm off and I'm trying to get those essentials. So I'm going to be taking you guys shopping with me, and I'm just going to be taking you guys on my off day, my quarantine vlog. Yeah, so quarantine vlog begins now.
You called is currently unavailable. Please try again later.
Why? Also, can I say I'm really excited about the food shopping. I've been writing my list since last week. I even have some on my phone, because when you need to just go and just buy everything. I'm not even stockpiling. I'm just buying the things I need, like veggies, things that you eat on a daily basis: bread, beef, onions, oil, noodles, mouthwash. Yeah, see, I'm even buying measuring cups because I want to be doing more cooking videos and trying exploring my baking and cooking side of me. So yeah, mom has picked up the phone now and she's on her way here, so hopefully I'll see her soon. It's almost 8 o'clock. We're trying to get there for 7 or 7:30, but yeah, hopefully there's still flour on the shelves, there's still baking powder, there's still yeast. Please, Jesus, show your sign. I'm estimating here, but yeah, me lost it. Me, but ti pẹ́ tí mo ti lọ sí mẹ́rin ṣàbọ̀, má tún wò lọ́la ṣá. No flour, guys, no flour. We have no flour. The secret to best ayamase is this. Plan is to go on every aisle so that we can get every single thing we need, because it's the first time we're doing a very big shop since the pandemic. So far we have this, look at the amount of toilet rolls we have now, and people were stockpiling. So look, we've got it in different colors, different shapes and sizes. 2 hours later, the bags are full. We've got everything we need plus rubbish. Oh, not about rubbish. Plus rubbish and everything. Like, I can't show you guys everything, but there's also more in the back of the car. This is what I'm Papa doing all our shopping, so we deserve it. So we're heading home now. We're gonna unpack, put everything in the fridge, then I'm gonna get on with my day. Ciao. So guys, I am basically back home. I have completely emptied all the shopping bags. I even rearranged my kitchen cupboards, cleaned all that jazz. Right now I'm just like what am I doing actually? I'm just grilling meat because I want to try and make ayamase stew because I've been craving it. My plan also for today is to continue editing my video that I'm gonna drop this weekend. Literally just gonna chill today because I'm working tomorrow. This is how I am 90% of the time when I'm home. So I'm just gonna be taking you guys around. I think I'm gonna clean my room as well, so probably be showing you guys footage of that. I'll see you when next time I'm doing something fun. So guys, I am having breakfast now, literally my first meal of the day. I'm having some yogurt, Greek yogurt with chia seeds, strawberries, blueberries, and some coconut flakes with some honey. I love this combo. It fills me up and it's actually quite nice. Oh, it's dripping, it's dripping. I finished grilling my meat. I'm just letting it cool down. I'm probably not going to cook ayamase today because I'm tired. I'll probably cook it like on Thursday or something. But if you guys want to see how I make my ayamase, I already have it on my YouTube channel, so I'll link it in my description box or I'll put it up here. I'm gonna eat, watch some friends, then after this I'm gonna have a shower and then I'm just gonna chill. Yeah, if anything comes up I'll definitely let you guys know. So I actually haven't had my shower yet. I'm just editing. I want to just edit some pieces before I have my shower because I have a webinar. Oh my god, you guys are probably tired of seeing me in this bonnet, but I have a webinar at 6 and it's currently 3 o'clock, so I want to shower, I want to eat. I have to eat again because I'm already hungry. Then I want to shower, I want to eat, and I want to make my lunch. Then I'm just gonna chill before I go for the webinar, just for 30 minutes anyway, and then we'll get along with the day. So I would show you guys some time lapse or whatever of me editing, then we'll go straight into the next thing. I'm trying to improve my editing skills, so I've been watching a lot of how to edit and all that. Oh, I use iMovie to edit anyway, so I'm just watching a lot of videos on how to edit and everything. So I'm just going to watch a YouTube video again because I've forgotten, because there's a lot going on here. Guys, I am really having a bad day. So the last clip was about me editing. Fine, I had finished editing and then it's time for me to export it to my hard drive so I can upload it on YouTube, and then it wouldn't share because it says the files are missing. And I'm like, what? I've watched a lot of YouTube videos about how to fix this. It doesn't work for me. So now basically I have to re-edit the whole thing. I'm watching, like, the thing is, when I take out my memory drive, it disappears, but then when I put it back, it's there. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, like I don't even have to explain it. So now basically I have to, you know, edit it the same way I've edited, because I put the music. Literally the video was so juicy, you know, when the video is just like, ooh, I can't believe I did this. But yeah, I'm really tired. I'm having a headache because I woke up so early. I feel like my heart is really pumping fast. I just need to relax, and I haven't even made my lunch tomorrow. I'm just gonna have to make it tomorrow. I mean, I haven't made my lunch for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna have to make it when I wake up tomorrow. If I don't, what's it called, continue vlogging today, then I'll probably end the vlog here, or if not, I'll carry it on to Thursday, which I'm off. So yeah, if I don't see you guys in the next clip, then I'll see you guys on Thursday, or then that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog anyway, but yeah, toodles, bye guys. Good afternoon guys. To be honest, it is a day after. It is now Thursday. The last time I recorded was on Tuesday, because I explained in the last video, that the last clip you saw of me, that I was having a bad day because my video was acting up. But then I was like, oh, let me just add my Thursday day to that vlog, because it's not nice leaving you guys hanging and just cut it off like that. Done my video, everything. I did it last night. It's uploading on YouTube now, thank god. Today's to-do list is basically to do my 30 minutes workout that I do daily, and sometimes not even daily, like obviously when I'm free. That's what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm going to be showing you some clips of me doing my workout. And then literally I don't have any plan for today, so yeah, I'll see what I do anyway, then I'll bring you guys with me. Oh, oops. I'm going to be working out in my living room. I just go bareheaded because I'm at home anyway. I have a playlist on YouTube that I do. So I have a warm-up session, then I have the exercises that I do anyway. So I'm just going to follow that, and that's like 30 minutes, and then that'll be it. So let's go.
So today we're going to be doing a mix of stretching and a little bit of cardio, some squats, some lunges, just to really warm up the body, get the blood flow going. It's only about 10 minutes long, so it's super quick, super easy to just throw in at the beginning of your workout.
So guys, I am done with my workout. Ooh, that's a bit too close though, but not too. So I'm done with my workout, so I'm just gonna have a shower and gonna find something to eat, and I'm gonna clean my room because it's looking a mess. So I am back from my shopping. I've been at my shower, at breakfast, all that jazz, and I am back from my shopping, and I got some bell peppers for my ayamase. If you guys want to know how I make my ayamase, I already have it on my channel, so I'm going to put the link up here or in the description box, so make sure you have a look at that to watch me how I cook that. Some cheese. I also got baking powder and lamb seasoning because I'm going to be making some lamb, and I also got some suya spice. I usually like the ones from like shops, and I mean from like the suya joints, but they are closed, so I just got this from the African shop, and I'll be trying. I want to use to make some chicken suya, so hopefully that is good. I actually wore something in my head. I didn't go out like this, but yeah, one basic what I'm doing, I'm going to be blending my peppers. Oh, I got some plantain, got scotch bonnets. Everything I actually bought, I didn't spend up to £10, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing, to be honest. And I'm just gonna chill later, and I'm probably gonna end the vlog soon because I don't want it to be dragging. So if I don't see you guys next time, I mean in another clip, then the vlog has ended because I just want to relax, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. So if you guys like this vlog, let me go to a quiet saying that I am going to end the vlog here. So if you guys have enjoyed this vlog, if you guys want to see more of this my quarantine vlog, day-to-day stuff, make sure you give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to put in the comment section what you enjoyed about this vlog, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're trying to hit 1K, and also follow me on my Instagram at Life with Modams and my Twitter Life with Modams, as you should. And I don't have anything else to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.